Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Binary World. Today I'm going to talk about NASA's great Artemis mission. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. Let us have a look at the overview of this mission. In this mission, NASA aims to set up a permanent base camp on the lunar South Pole by 2024. There are mainly three key elements for this Artemis base camp. The main installation is going to be the foundation surface habitat, which is going to be the fixed home for the astronauts and can be used for long stay. This is what the main base camp is going to look like, with a large number of solar panels fitted around it to provide energy to these base camps. Now, the second most important component of this project is the livable mobility platform that would allow the astronauts to make trips away from the base camp for about 45 days. There's going to be one more lunar vehicle which would transport the crew around the site for short trips. Now let's have a look at the various components of the spacecraft. This is the human-rated spacecraft called Orion. It is built in three parts: the crew module, the service module, and the launch abort system. The massive core stage and the two extended solid rocket boosters make this the world's most powerful rocket. So now you might be wondering how much this total mission costs. So let me give you a brief idea about that. The entire mission is going to cost about 35 billion US dollars. To give you a better idea of how large or how small this amount is, let us look at some comparisons. USA spends about 732 billion US dollars on its military annually. So 35 billion dollars is just a small fraction of US military budget. India spends about 75 billion US dollars annually on its military. So this amount of 35 billion US dollars is not very large as compared to military budgets of some of the most powerful nations in the world. But when it's compared to the ISRO's Chandrayaan-2 mission, it's a lot. ISRO's Chandrayaan-2 mission costed just about 0.14 billion US dollars. That's just 141 million US dollars. It's just a small fraction of our military spending. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Also don't forget to leave a comment below.